All right, greetings, my sister SAS and my sister Carmen. How y'all feeling today? Y'all just full of laughter and energy.
Fantastic. Life is so wonderful.
Blessed. Thank you.
You know, SAS, I'm trying to get a feel of those signs, but you got them all piled on top of each other. And you know, family, we're live in Revolutionary Camp. This is Bomani time, and I'm at SAS Institute. You know, SAS is one of those famous sisters that have traveled with us to Ghana in October 2011, October 2012, October 2013, October 2015, and October 2016. 5 wonderful journeys our sisters have traveled with us out of our 11 journeys. And SAS is a master calligraphy expert, and she's gonna come back and she's gonna show us what she's done for our wonderful sister in the written language, the written word.
Yeah. Carmen always uses my gift of calligraphy and has for many, 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 many years.
All right, we're gonna zoom up on this baby.
It's her project. Carmen, you can tell them what it is, because I really didn't want.
Well, we've been
Justice
doing
for
Black
all.
History programs all the month of February, and I hope that this will continue throughout the year, because we celebrate our culture every day of the year, not just these 28 days in February.
Excellent. Can you tell me more about the program? These signs are unique. Are you about to do a petition somewhere in downtown Atlanta?
No. Actually, last weekend we went to see Sweet Honey in the Rock, and they did a piece called Ella's Song, and the song inspired me to take some of my choreography and put it into a dance. And the song was very long, so we needed time to march in, which made me think to do the signs.
I love it.
So we're all marching in with signs as if we're protesting, because we who believe in freedom cannot rest.
We who believe in freedom cannot rest until it's done.
Perfect. I like that one that said no person is illegal. If you can explain that a little bit and share the concept of that, SAS, since you are the mastermind that created.
Yeah, Carmen's great because she knows how to use a gift that God blesses this sister with. And, you know, we had a less than a 24-hour turnaround. Mm-hmm. She had the concept and brought me all the things I needed to get the job done. And Spirit, Divine Spirit, always gives me my inspiration, my ancestors, the one. And these words came to me as the ones to keep simple and make plain. But what isn't illegal? I mean, we were all sourced by the same energy. So I thought simplicity was really important. So you read them, Bomani.
Absolutely. Black Lives Matters, peace. I mean, these are great symbolic of, what would you sum up all of these wonderful signs in it, as far as one category, beyond just the Black African History Month that we're celebrating in the month of February?
I think that the key word is truth.
Truth.
In essence, truth.
And this is,
you know, and everybody's truth is based on their individual consciousness, but certainly love needs no explanation.
That is so true.
hope not hate, all right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, possibility thinking, you know, the ever optimistic one. But again, the colors are reflective as
Plenty of
well.
lives matter and everything. The colors, the energy.
Well, Carmen got the colors. I was saying, well, you know,
Three family.
you have the metaphysical properties. Yellow's wisdom, blue is faith.
But you also want to talk about this right here. Look at this right here. The dashiki.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, you know.
Energy. So family, it's one of those things that we're always pushing, our roots, our culture, and you know, this is a race first based energy. And little Bomani is just chilling. It's not that cold, but he's like, yeah. So what's up family, what's up people?
This is good for the, it's all about the
Are you
children.
happy to be at SAS Institute, connecting with SAS?
Thank you, Bomani, for coming over.
Bomani says he's going to be in the audience and just watch us.
But either way.
But yeah, so family, you know, when we're talking about our liberation, we're talking about things that we need as a people and put our culture, it's too many things that we can do. You know, the main thing is for us to do something, and you know, these signs represent this a beautiful energy, and I was really happy that once I came in, I saw them, and I'm glad I came in with a car and left, because I wouldn't know what you were doing. But it's kind of like you also letting people know that you are one of the greatest artists of a lifetime.
Yes,
and I've never,
yes.
out of all the people I've known all my life, I've
Wow.
never met anybody that does any kind of calligraphy.
Thank
You know?
you. I
So,
receive that.
you know, our crew is kind of like we have like our own expertise in many things. Myself, the great technologist and business person, and SAS, just an incredible community server. And you know, and people should also know the works that you have done in the communities that you have lived in. Yeah, especially with the seniors. You know, I love it. You know,
It's
you
true.
gotta take care of our
I'm
seniors,
the
right?
elder.
Yeah, elder,
Every
take
young
elders.
elder. It's true. To whom much is given, much is required. And you know, age is there's no age in spirit. You know, you have people that are like 79 and you know act like they 97. And you have people that 98, like my calligraphy student who act like she's 68. And you know, but your thoughts are the key. And you can think young and be young. You see. But the main thing is getting our job done while we're here in a body and loving each other. I think is the best medicine for the soul. But yeah, hear our voice. We all have a
Say hello
voice.
to the people.
We all have a voice.
My little technologist, Sharon, the first thing he's trying to do, he's trying to get online so he can do his research and study. This is a future architect and engineer. Yes, you can. We're gonna get you connected, Mr. Bomani.
Oh, you want to get online? Oh, you want to get on the internet? Okay. Yeah, let's march out and get you on the internet.
We got you connected, right? And we got a lot of technology business here to do and connect our sister SAS. Hold a sign up, Mr. Bomani, and then we're gonna hold a sign up, and then we're gonna get you connected to the
Can you
internet.
take these out to the
Hold
car?
it up.
Can you hold all of them? We're getting ready to take them out to the car shortly after we pour libations.
Yes.
Thank you,
Okay.
family. Thank you, Carmen.
Oh, no, thank you, SAS, because I never could have done this without you. I'm so very grateful, and I'm hoping that we can use these not just in February, but for the entire year.
Absolutely.
So this piece that I've just created, I plan on doing it all year long, all over the world.
Keep us posted.
Excellent, family. That will work. So, family, until next time, the journey continues. Keep it black and keep it strong.
No peace, no justice. No peace, no justice. No peace, no justice.